In today's video, we're going to learn how to make money using YouTube Shorts. If you don't know what YouTube Shorts are, they are basically those short format kind of videos, like 15 seconds long up to 60 seconds long. And it was released last year by YouTube in an attempt to compete with TikTok, who's been gaining a lot of traction lately over the last few years. And basically, we're going to learn how to make money using the power of YouTube Shorts. So let's get right into it. So to get started, just to show you that this really works, if you check out this channel here, 5-minute craft shorts, they've been making those short format kind of videos about little crafts and hacks that most people don't know about, and they've been gaining so much views with their short videos. And some of their videos get like 2.6 million views, 100,000 views, 72 million views, and they've been doing it for just a few months ago. Like if you watch their oldest video, you'll see that 5 months ago is where they really started blowing up. For 1 million views, 100,000 views, 2.6 million views 5 months ago. And if you check their analytics on Social Blade, they've really been blowing up quite recently. About July and August is when they really blew up in terms of subscribers. And right now they're averaging about close to 20 million views per day. And that's just one channel. And if you could check, another one here is Jaden Sprints. And if you check out his channel, this guy has been around for a little while, and he used to make like longer format kind of videos, like 10 minutes long, 20 minutes long, 12 minutes long, 11 minutes long. But then a few months ago, he started experimenting with YouTube Shorts, and as you can see, he's been blowing up with YouTube Shorts. He's posting more than once a day, and he's getting a few thousand views every day, like 800,000 views, 1.9 million views. And if you check his Social Blade account, you'll see that he really started blowing up earlier this year. Around February and March is when he started gaining a lot of traction, a lot of views, and a lot of subscribers. And now he's averaging close to 3 million, over 3 million views per day, close to 100 million views per month, which is pretty insane when you think about it. So what we're going to do in this video, we are going to create YouTube short videos and try to make money with them using the power of compilation videos. So we're going to use compilation videos to create our YouTube short videos. We're going to get them ranked on the YouTube shelves, and we're going to gain traffic from that and then make money from it. So what kind of compilation videos we're going to do is, if you go to the search bar here and you type, let's say, dog compilation videos, you would find a bunch of videos relating to dogs, compilation of dogs. For example, funny dog videos, try not to laugh kind of videos, knife throwing top dog compilation videos, intimidating dog compilation videos. There's so many different kind of compilation videos just about dogs. Like if you go to the search bar and you type dog compilation space, you'll get funny videos, 2021, 2020, barking, try not to laugh. So we're going to pick one of those, and then we're going to pick a video to try and create our YouTube shorts from it. So let's just say we went with the dog compilation, try not to laugh video, okay? One thing you need to know first is, when picking a video, you've got two choices. You can either pick a video that has a Creative Commons license attributed to it, or you could pick a video that does not have a Creative Commons license attributed to it. If you pick one that has a Creative Commons license, then you won't have a lot of editing to do. You would still need to do some kind of editing, but not a lot. But if you just pick a random video that is on one of those random videos that does not necessarily have the Creative Commons license, then you will need to edit the video a bit more in order to make it more unique to yourself. So just so you know that when selecting your videos to create your YouTube shorts from, okay? So let's just say we were to pick one of those videos. Let's just say we were to pick this video, funniest dog videos challenge. Let's just open this. Once you've opened that video, what I would recommend you to do after you pick a video is to obviously watch the video. If you don't think it's a good video, you can simply pick another one. But let's just say you watched the video and you've decided you want to download this one, then all you would do is go to the URL bar at the top, and where it says youtube.com, right before YouTube, just press write SS and press enter. And what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to this page here, savefrom.net, where you can download this video in whichever quality that you want, for 720p, 360p, or 1080p. So for the purpose of demonstration, let's just say we were to download this 720p. Okay, so let's just say click download. So once your video is downloaded, the next step is to go to canva.com. Canva is basically this free online tool that allows you to edit pictures and videos. It's a bit like a free Photoshop tool. It does have a paying plan, but what we're going to use in this purpose of this video is only the free plan, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. We're not going to pay for anything for this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to click here, video, and then where it says mobile videos, we're going to click on that. And then we're going to be presented with this page. Just close this one, and we will have our blank Canva here on what to work from. So we're going to go to upload video, and we are going to upload media, and then select our video. We're going to give it some time to upload the video, and then we're going to start working on it. Okay, once your video is uploaded, what you would do is simply drag it onto your blank Canva. And then what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the size so that it fits our screen perfectly. So we're going to drag it like that, like this, make it a bit smaller, yeah, just like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, then once it's dragged and fits the screen perfectly, we're going to crop the video. And basically what you want to do is you want to select the best parts of the videos to create your YouTube shorts from. The good news is when you pick those long format kind of videos, you could create multiple short videos from them. So let's just say for our case, we were to pick somewhere around, let's say we would pick a part of that video, let's just say right here, and let's say we were to make it like that. Okay, so our video would be like 10 seconds long, and it would be pretty much this big dog getting scared of what seems to be a smaller dog here. Yeah, so that is going to be our video. And if you ideally you want to add some text to it, to make it a bit more unique. So in our case, let's just say we change the color, let's make it bold. Let's write big dog being scared of smaller one, or something like that, right? Let's adjust that. Let's put it up here, something like that. There you go. And that would be our video. Here's a short video that you can create and upload, and it literally just took us a few minutes to create this. Once you've done this, simply click on download video, and basically the video will be downloaded onto your computer. So once your video is downloaded, the next step is to upload it to your YouTube as a YouTube short video, right? But before we do that, we first need to find an offer to promote in order to make money from those YouTube shorts. Because if you're going to drive traffic to your YouTube shorts, you want some of that traffic to convert into sales so that you can make money from it. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to a site called ClickBank, which is an affiliate network site where you can find a bunch of different products that you can promote from in different niches. And we are going to look for one in the dog niche, because a lot of those people who are going to watch those funny dog compilation videos are usually people who have an interest in dogs. A lot of them usually already have dogs, so it would be great to promote a dog related offer to those people. So if you go to ClickBank and you type dog in the find products niche, product search bar. There's a bunch of products that's going to show up. One that converts really well, and it has been for a long time, is the first one here, brain training for dogs. And this is a product that a lot of dog owners would happily be interested in, because it's a lot of dog owners have problems with trying to make their dog behave correctly. You know, sometimes they have their dogs who don't listen to them, who barks uncontrollably, who are very aggressive. So this is definitely a course that will help a lot of dog owners. So if we can drive some traffic to our dog, a lot of traffic to our dog compilation videos, and we have this kind of offer in the description, you're bound to have some few sales from your traffic. So what we're going to do is, let's just say we decide to promote this offer here. Simply you would click on promote, get your affiliate link, and then once you have your affiliate link, go to your YouTube account and upload the video as a YouTube short. Don't forget, when you write the title, to also include the hashtag YouTube shorts, the hashtag shorts, so that it gets put on the YouTube short shelves, or else it won't get there. And then write a description, and then below you could write, looking for an effective way to properly train your dog, check this out, and have your affiliate link here. And that's it. So obviously you don't expect to see amazing results right from the start. Some of your videos might blow up, but you want to do this consistently, and ideally you want to upload like 3 or 4 videos a day. Eventually some of your videos will blow up, will get a lot of viral traffic. A lot of those traffic will end up into sales for you. So if you're going to do this method, be very consistent, and you should see results eventually. So there you go, guys. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you really appreciate what you've learned in this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to make money online, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.